today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and setup of the LOOC Wi-Fi camera. Included is a product guide which shows you other lead change and IMOW cameras and products. Also included is some certification material. Next, we have a quick start guide. Shows you step-by-step instructions how to set up the LOOC camera. Next, we have an accessories box. Included is a mount which attaches to the LOOC camera. Next, we have a power supply adapter. Wall plugs and screws to mount the camera. Clips which you can use to neaten the power cable. Moving on, we have the actual camera. Included with the camera is a 10 feet power cable which provides power to the camera. The cable attaches to the power supply. At the front of the camera, we have the lens, the PIR motion detector, the spotlight. The bottom, we have the speaker, and at the top of the camera, we have the micro SD card slot, as well as a reset button. You attach the mounting bracket to the below of the camera by screwing it on like this. You could also tighten it with the white lever to the back. The camera can also be adjusted like this. Next, on your mobile device, search for the IMOW app. This can be found either in the Play Store or the App Store. Once found, install the application. Once the app is finished installing, open it. Allow the necessary permissions for the app. If it's the first time using the app, click the sign up button located at the lower left hand corner of the screen. Select your country, click next, enter an email address and set a password for your account. Agree to the terms and conditions and click the verification code icon. A 6-digit verification code would be emailed to you. Please enter it here and select OK. You will now be brought back to the home screen. Enter your email address and the password you have created for your account and click Login. Select the plus icon at the top right hand corner of the screen to add your first device. Scan the QR code behind the product box. Click Next. Power on your camera if you have not already done so. Enter the Wi-Fi password that your phone is currently connected to. Select Remember Password. Click Next. The camera light should begin flashing green. Click Next. You will now be prompted to create a password for the camera. The password should consist of letters and numbers with at least one capital letter. Please note that this password is different from your account password. Select Next once finished. Camera will now be syncing to your cloud account. Give it a few seconds to do so. It has now successfully been added to your cloud account. Click Complete. There you see the camera added to your account. Click the play button on the camera icon. If you hold it in landscape mode, click HD to get HD quality video. You can manually turn on the spotlight by selecting the bulb looking icon. You can also trigger the alarm by selecting the bell-shaped icon. And that's it, you're all finished setting up your LOOC Wi-Fi camera. Please refer to our other guide for more in-depth features of the camera. Thank you.